G'day, I'm Paul West, pie lover, pie connoisseur and self-anointed pie minister. So I'm gathering up some of the best chefs and the best produce that we've got here on the Sapphire Coast to see what the entries are going to be for pie time this June. And I can't go looking for the best pie on the Sapphire Coast without coming to the high lords of pies, Wild Rye Bakery in Pambula. Pie Commander Matty Crosley, good to see you, brother. So let's look at this.
Yeah, no, it's all pretty quality ingredients. Nice, beautiful local lamb from up the mountain in Bombala. Some local beautiful herbs from Millingandy. Then we've got these talented butchers in Merimbula there. Oh. They're making some nice charcuterie.
Get over this so I don't spill it all over your mise en place.
With our herb sourdough crumbs on top. Finish her off with.
Mate, that is spectacular. See that Southern Highlands? That is a pie.